it's Tuesday, and that means it's Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center Day, and we get so many people asking questions, and I'm just going to say, what are you guys going to talk about today? Because I love everything that you guys have.
Well, thank you, Whitney. We love you too. Today we want to just bring up three things that are ending, three specials that are ending at the end of April. The first one we've been mentioning is part of Rosacea Awareness Month, 20% off any service or any product used to treat rosacea. We've had a lot of calls about that.
That's great.
It's a big problem. The other two are the Fotona 4D facelift. This month in April, we've been doing a free neck lift, neck rejuvenation.
Wow.
$1,600 value if you come for the main part of the facelift. So don't want people to miss that. And then also our introductory offer on SculpSure, the body contouring, the permanent fat killing, ends in April.
Gosh, those are...
Thank you for being our live model.
That's right. Big savings. Yes, and I have actually had both procedures now. I had the Fotona 4D. Thank you very much, Dr. J. I like the compliments I get when I'm with my daughter and people say, oh, she's your daughter? Yes. And I always say, thanks, Dr. J. I'm winking my eye. But tell us a little bit more about that particular procedure.
Sure. The 4D is a series of usually 3 procedures for most people. And it's a non-surgical facelift and rejuvenation. It's a combination of different laser procedures, and it's very comprehensive, and it gets a really nice overall result. Takes a little bit of time. You see some results usually with the first treatment, but after the third, you get a good lasting result that continues to develop for another 6 months.
And I can say I went through it. Painless. I walked out of there and I put my makeup on because there was no redness, nothing. And it just took gradually, in a couple weeks, I would see things and another thing, and it just, wow, I was really pleased with the results.
And it's really unique. There's no cutting, there's no downtime, no bruising.
It was amazing. But I see that this SculpSure is actually becoming the thing. Tell me more about SculpSure.
Is. And the SculpSure company has asked us for some photos. They're going to put us on their website because we did over 100 treatments in our first month, which was amazing. You want to tell them how that works?
Sure. It's a laser which heats the fat while at the same time cooling the skin surface so that it minimizes any discomfort. It feels warm. It kind of goes in cycles between warm and cool, and there's, again, no downtime with it. People typically experience a little bit of tenderness in the area for a few weeks after the procedure, but there's no bruising. And you know, I've had it myself, and I thought it was a very tolerable procedure, and the results are permanent. It kills a good proportion of the fat.
So you're supposed to see the results in about 6 weeks or so. Most of our patients are seeing them earlier than that. But what did you think of it when you had it?
I actually had the procedure done last week, and that's what I was going to ask you, is who you recommended this specific treatment for. And even though I have a smaller frame, I do have problem areas. So Dr. J treated an area because I can't talk about it intelligently unless I had been through it myself. And it just took minutes. It really just, well, the only thing that bothered me was sitting there, but you guys talked with me the whole time, and boom, time went by really fast. So I'm excited to see results. We do have footage from that we'll be showing in the next few weeks. But who do you recommend has the SculpSure procedure?
Well, it's important that people understand that it's not a whole body procedure for losing weight. It's really for problem areas, and if you're near the weight where you want to be, your weight's stable, that's the time, if you have an area such as the abdomen or just about any other body area, we can treat anywhere from one small area up to 4 at a single time. People can have additional treatments. If it doesn't do enough, we recommend waiting for at least 2 or 3 months to see the full effects.
And we've done
and you
all
can have a
ages.
second treatment.
We've done everything from 18-year-old pageant contestant to a woman who was near 80. Same thing with the Fotona 4D laser lift, is we've done women who are 30, we've done women in their 80s.
Wow. And if you haven't seen this month's VIP Scene magazine, you've got to see this. Here is Dr. J. I love this article on him. Great photo by Mickey Baker Photography, by the way. Pick that up, learn a little bit more about him, and actually I'm going to ask you if I can have your autograph, Dr. J, because you are one of my heroes. Angela, tell us that they can lock in these special good day deals through
Call
when?
us before the end of April.
Okay.
So call us. The number should be on the screen, Changes Medical Spa.
Excellent, absolutely. Thank you so much. Can't wait to hear what we talk about next week. Thank you, Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center.